there is a deeply spiritual process in empathy, no? Why? Because it's something very unique, of course, to human beings. Um, when we people who are empathetic to others and people who have felt empathy, it becomes a religious experience to them, right? And therefore, it's transformative. Um, Something sacred is um, recognized in empathy. You know, so empathy, yeah, the real empathy that we're talking about here, not the conditional empathy,
Mm-hmm.
not the selective type of
Yeah.
empathy, but
In exchange
something
for something. Yeah.
but the empathy which is real, is deeply spiritual indeed.